Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features and a fair price. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 ILX. The luxury in the new Acura ILX includes leather heated seats and a powerful array of voice command and high-end technological advancements, while being powered by a high-performance engine that propels this compact sports sedan quicker than you may expect. If enjoying the drive is something important to you, then the ILX might be the one you are looking for, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.